So hello everyone. So today we'll understand something about a new topic which I wanted to explain about SAP SuccessFactors Onboarding H1 2021 major enhancements. So in our previous video, those who have watched on my YouTube channel, I have explained you about Employee Central Payroll H1 2021, and the other one was Employee Central H1 2021. So now let me explain some major enhancements SAP released from H1 2021 release for onboarding 2.0. But now from this release onwards, SAP has updated the terminology as onboarding 2.0. You are going to call it as a onboarding. So every time you hear the name as onboarding, it refers to onboarding 2.0 only. So everywhere it is updated, and even the same I have explained uh, in the minor enhancements video for onboarding H1 2021. So here with this release, we have some of the most important enhancements everyone should be aware and updated, those who are working in the onboarding 2.0 system or onboarding system. So first of all, it is very common that, as you all know, that the preview release schedule is 16th April 2021, production release May 21, 2021. The first thing that I want to explain about the compliance forms, so now the onboarding system supports the compliance forms for the countries like Canada, USA, Australia, UK, but with a certain restrictions. You can't make any updates or you can't edit certain compliance forms. But now, as for the updates that are available, you can only just enable the toggle. For example, you want to enable the compliance forms for USA, you can only go on enable. Hold on, please. Okay, sorry, in between I have muted. Okay, let me continue to tell you about this. See, you can only enable the toggle for the country USA, the compliance forms, and then use the compliance for your onboarding processes. The same with any other country that you want. But as of now, there are no extra additional configurations you can do with the compliance forms that are available. So that is why when you activate the compliance forms in the system, SAP tells you that there is no extra, there is no additional configurations required. And the system also shows the additional form of the compliance forms, but you can use it. Right. So now the thing is that if you want to update the configuration requirements are, you should go and enable BPA process flow, process variant. Also the process variant manager should be updated also, with this compliance forms release. So they're all available from H1 2021, and it's one of the major update. So please, those who are not sure about this release, please go through it, because this release was not available. These updates, these compliance forms were actually completely not available up to previous releases. So which are very, very important for some of the countries, as where they capture the sensitive data from your onboarding process. Next, another most important release that you will see, enhancement you are going to see from this H1 2021, external user visibility tool. You always try to create an onboarding system. Let us say you are going to set up the onboarding system, but you are going to configure some of the objects. For example, personal data collection, custom data collection. you know Here, through this external user, onboarding user is like external user, cross boarding like a internal user. Now there are certain objects that you are going to create. Do you want to make it available external users also? Means onboarding users. So through the external user visibility, you have something like a personal data collection step. So as of now, the success factors onboarding system supports, like email info, global info, addresses, message definition, national card, personal info, person info, which means biographical, phone info, including the pick list. So now you want to make these are the ones which are supports through the external user visibility tool. As for your requirement, you can use the tool, and whichever the objects that you want to make it available, you can enable and disable through the external user visibility tool. It provides the flexibility to manage the object's visibility for the onboarding or new hire or onboarding users. Even there is also something like custom data collection. There are certain objects that you create for custom data collection. Do you want to make this custom data collection object visible for internal users or external users? So through this external user visibility, you can make use these features flexibly. You can work on it. So in order to enable this external user visibility from this release, so make sure that you go to RBP, role-based permissions, and through the manage onboarding or offboarding link. Earlier, the link name was manage onboarding 2.0 or offboarding 2.0, but now you won't find anywhere the link as a 2.0. Rather, you see the link directly manage onboarding or offboarding. That refers to 2.0 only. There you have the link called enable object visibility for external. So you can go and enable, use that feature, and then go and work on it. One more functionality that you are also going to see from this release, that is onboarding 2.0 dashboard tile or onboarding dashboard. New tile is available because we have onboarding dashboard tile. Now you have one more tile available, onboarding dashboard 2. See, this onboarding dashboard new tile gives you a great features. For example, it gives you different sections. Here, when you open this, onboarding 2.0, a new tile on the home page of the user, or you as a hiring manager, you click on that, you will find the list of onboarding users, external users, internal users. That means onboarding users, cross-boarding users. What you can do, when you click on each user, a new higher details, you will find the things. You can see the screen, like you can see the Jennifer, you can see the onboarding dashboard new tile. Okay, now you can see the data collection tile, form I-9 e-verify section, compliance forms, new hire task. These features are provided from this particular functionality. And you can also find the compliance forms at the bottom also, you can see. So that is why there are different sections are available from this particular onboarding dashboard new tile, which was not available. These enhanced features from the onboarding dashboard tile. So that is why every consultant or a hiring manager, make sure that when you are going to work in onboarding system, so it is recommended as per the best practices. please go and use this onboarding dashboard new tile, which provides you enhanced features like different sections, and where you can experience these features where you don't find these from the onboarding dashboard tile. And then last functionality, which I also want to tell you, you can access the onboarding dashboard tile. You can access offboarding dashboard directly from the global navigation menu on the latest homepage. And I think most of you know, those who have attended my classes, you see that on the SuccessFactors homepage, you have a global navigation benchmark option. When you click on that, you will find that tile name also. You can directly access it even from the homepage as well. But you can also use a global benchmark option to access the onboarding dashboard tile. So these are the few of the things that I wanted to explain as a major releases that you find from this release. And I hope that these features are more useful for you to get to give you more clarity about the new enhancements from the H1 2021 for onboarding SuccessFactors system. So thank you so much for watching my session. See you all again with another topic next time. Thank you.